Imagine earning extra cash while sipping your morning coffee, all thanks to the power of AI. In 2024, making money online has never been easier or more accessible, even for those with no coding skills. From automating mundane tasks to generating content that sells, AI tools are revolutionizing the way we work and earn. AI is leveling the playing field, and now anyone with an internet connection can get a piece of the action. Whether you're looking for a side gig or a full-time venture, you'll learn practical strategies that require zero coding experience. Get ready to unlock your earning potential with AI. Let's jump in. Pause 13S. First up, let's talk about AI-powered content creation. Tools like Jasper AI and Copy.ai can help you create high-quality articles, blog posts, and marketing copy in no time. AI is a tool, just like a hammer or a saw. It can help you build something amazing, but only if you know how to use it. Businesses are drowning in content right now. Everyone's putting out videos, articles, social media posts. But most of it is, let's be honest, pretty mediocre. You can use AI to help you generate ideas, write faster, and create content that's actually engaging and informative. Let's say you're passionate about personal finance. You could use Jasper AI to help you write blog posts, create social media content, even draft scripts for YouTube videos. And because you're using AI to streamline the process, you can create more content in less time, which means more opportunities to earn. Many businesses and bloggers are looking for freelance writers, and with AI assistance you can write faster and more efficiently. Go check out Upwork or Fiverr right now. There are literally thousands of gigs posted every day for writers who can create high-quality content. A lot of those businesses don't even care if you use AI to help you out. You can find gigs on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, earning anywhere from $15 to $100 per article depending on your expertise. And the best part, you can scale this up. Imagine writing 2, 3, even 4 times as many articles per week using AI. That's when you start seeing some serious income potential. Next, let's explore AI graphic design. Platforms like Canva and Adobe Spark have AI features that make design easy and accessible. Even if you're not a professional designer, you can create stunning visuals using these AI tools. Think about all the businesses out there that need visuals. Restaurants, real estate agents, e-commerce stores. Most of them don't have the time or the budget to hire a full-time designer. You can use AI tools like Canva to create logos, social media posts, even marketing materials, all with a few clicks. These tools are constantly being updated with new features and templates, so you'll always have access to the latest trends. Once you have your designs, you can offer your services on freelance websites or even sell your graphics on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market, earning anywhere from $10 to $200 per design, depending on the complexity. Don't just rely on the AI to do everything for you. Use it as a starting point, then add your own creativity and flair to make your designs stand out. That's how you build a brand and attract clients who are willing to pay a premium for your work. Number 3. AI video editing. Tools like Pictory and Magisto allow you to create professional-looking videos without needing to be an expert editor. Video is king right now. If you're not creating video content, you're missing out on a huge opportunity to reach your audience. With AI video editing tools, you can literally drag and drop your footage, and the AI will do the rest. It can cut your videos, add music, even create transitions, all automatically. You can offer your services as a video editor on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or create your own content for YouTube or TikTok. Freelance video editors can earn from $25 to $100 per project. AI is making it possible for anyone to create high-quality videos regardless of their technical skills. The demand for video editors is only going to increase. Every business needs videos for their website, social media, even internal training, and not every business can afford to hire a full-time video editor. Number 4. AI chatbots for customer service. Platforms like ChatFuel and ManyChat allow you to create chatbots without any coding knowledge. Chatbots are the future of customer service. They're available 24/7, can handle multiple conversations at once, and never get tired or grumpy. With tools like ChatFuel and ManyChat, you can literally build a chatbot in an afternoon. You can offer your services to small businesses looking to automate customer interactions. Freelancers can charge anywhere from $100 to $500 per chatbot setup, depending on the complexity. Chatbots can answer frequently asked questions, provide support, even process orders, all without any human intervention, and that's a huge value proposition for businesses. Number 5. AI research and data analysis. Tools like MonkeyLearn and DataRobot can help you analyze trends and gather insights without needing extensive data science knowledge. Data analysis is one of the most in-demand skills in the world right now. Every time you click on a website, make a purchase, or even just scroll through social media, you're generating data. Businesses need data to make informed decisions, and you can provide that service. You can find gigs through freelance platforms, or offer your analysis services directly to companies. Depending on the project, you could earn anywhere from $50 to $200 per report. AI tools like MonkeyLearn and DataRobot make it easy to analyze data even if you've never written a line of code in your life. You can use these tools to identify trends, uncover insights, and create reports that businesses can use to improve their operations. Most businesses don't even know what they don't know. They're sitting on mountains of data, but they have no idea how to extract any meaningful insights from it. You can be the data whisperer, the one who can unlock the secrets hidden within their spreadsheets and databases. Your AI-powered future. So there you have it, 5 ways to make money using AI tools in 2024, all without needing coding skills. The AI revolution is here, and it's making it easier than ever for beginners to start earning online. AI is constantly evolving, which means new opportunities to make money are popping up all the time. The key is to stay curious, keep learning, and don't be afraid to experiment. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Money Mindset for more tips on making money online, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you're excited to try first.